Mother and her 3-year-old daughter gone missing in Spanish Town. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 43-year-old Melissa Mitchell and her 3-year-old daughter, Nicanora Mitchell, both of Queensborough Terrace Golden Acres in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, have been missing since Monday, January the 1st. Melissa is of dark complexion, medium build, and Nicanora is of dark complexion. Reports from the Caymanas police are that Melissa and her daughter were last seen in their community and have not been seen or heard from since. Their mode of dress at the time they went missing is unknown. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Melissa Mitchell and Nicanora Mitchell is being asked to contact the Caymanas police at 876-988-1719, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.